Please subscribe to the Dennis Ramsey YouTube channel. Thank you very much. The roads on Canaan Avenue are clear. This is the day after the snowstorm. Everything is good now. The sidewalks are clear. The roadways are clear in Kentville, Nova Scotia, Canada. Please subscribe to the Dennis Ramsey YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Canada's best folk artist is Dennis Ramsey, beyond a shadow of a doubt. Please subscribe and take care, and always give me a thumbs up in the videos, won't you? A winter wonderland. Look at this. Isn't that nice? Bye for now and have a nice day, and subscribe, shall you?